We're going to end this section by talking about two different types of investments. Now, first off, an investment is going to be using money or capital for income or profit. The two major types of investments are going to be fixed investments and variable investments. So for a fixed investment, the amount invested as principal is guaranteed, and the interest will be computed at a fixed rate. Whether or not it's monthly or daily, you're going to get the interest given to you at a fixed interval. And it's also going to be at a fixed APR as well. Examples of fixed investments would be savings accounts or certificate of deposits. So on both of these, then the amount of money that you initially put into it will be returned to you, and there's also going to be some interest that is returned to you. Now CDs typically would have a higher interest rate, because for a CD, how that works is that you have to leave the money in the bank, let's say for instance 5 years is the maturity rate of the CD. So because you have to leave the money there, they then compensate you with a higher APR. Now for a savings account where that money is very fluid and you can go into that account and pull out money at any time, on those ones they offer you a lower APR on those. But these are both examples of fixed investments where not only do you get your initial deposit back, but the interest is computed at a fixed APR over fixed time intervals as well. Now another type of investment is called a variable investment. Under a variable investment, neither the principal nor the interest is guaranteed. Examples of variable investments would be stocks and mutual funds. So if you invest your money in, for instance, the stock market or in mutual funds, you might not get your initial deposit back. That money, if the stock goes down, you might lose your investment. Okay, so the principal is not guaranteed. It's also not guaranteed that your investment will generate for you any interest. Okay, so this is a much more of a volatile type of investment. There's much more risk involved. But the other end of that is there is also greater reward. So there's the chance that your investment could pay off and you get a higher interest returned back to you under a variable investment than you might if you were to invest under a fixed account instead.